Okay, YouTubers, the vertical wind turbine that turned into a horizontal. So, this is the original tilt tower. I decided this time of year it's going to be picking up the winds in September, October, November through the winter months, all the way through March. So I decided to take the other two sections and attach them to the tower. So I went from a total of 30 feet of tower plus 5 feet of wind turbine tower pole, I should say, and now we have extended 20 more feet, 2 more sections. I did plan out for the cable to come to the 40-foot section, which is a lot of cable going back down, 1/4 inch, 600 pound pull. And up top we have the wind turbine. So now, and yes, it was fun putting those on. And then the best one yesterday was, I should have had my little one video recording this, like a monkey on a football. We were trying to get those 3 posts in. Of course, they didn't line up exactly, but I have them in there now. I have the wind turbine on there, rebolted that. I had to take that off, put that back in, put the wires back down. So right now, I'm just putting the wires up the tube, the PVC, and getting this back into the conduit, running it up the pole. I'll have to get in there with the soldering iron, or the torch actually, and attach those wires. Then we'll be all set, and then I can crank this bad boy up, and that is 35 feet. So I'll be definitely above it. We got a nice Paragon Falcon running across, screaming right now. These guys love coming over here. I don't know if it's because my cats are out in the yard. They're looking for lunch, but here he goes diving for something over there. That's pretty cool. He's circling around. Yep. So anyway, there we go. Another day another day. I'll probably have this thing finished, wired. Hopefully today, maybe get it done today. Get the turbine back on, the blades, and get it up. So there's the update for the Never Buy Tesup products. Right now, we are currently, 2 of us are currently working together with a guy in Europe to basically use a address so the courts will accept the complaint for the small claims court and suing Tesup, which they are a very shady company. So please, everybody out there, pass the word. Never buy Tesup. Stay clear of that company. That's it for now. We'll keep you posted on the updates of the court case in the meanwhile.